You are most welcome to another edition of video lecture series of Open and Distance Learning Center, Ladoke Akintola University of Technology. This is Biology 101, Introductory Biology. This is the fourth study session titled Kingdom Fungi. At the end of this study session, you must be able to achieve the following learning outcomes. Number one, you must be able to enumerate the general characteristics of organisms that belongs to kingdom fungi. Also, you must be able to itemize the classifications possible under kingdom fungi. And lastly, you must be able to highlight the different classifications of organisms that belongs to kingdom fungi. What are the general characteristics of organisms under kingdom fungi? 1. Organisms under kingdom fungi reproduce by means of spores. They are typically non-motile, that is, they cannot move from one place to the other. They feed heterotrophically, that is, they rely on other organisms for their food. Fungi digest their food first before ingesting it using a chemical called enzymes. And finally, they store their food in form of starch. What are the classifications of organisms under kingdom fungi? Generally, organisms under kingdom fungi can be classified into 4 divisions. These are division Ascomycota, Basidiomycota, Zygomycota, and Deuteromycota. Let's start with division Mycota. The most popular member of this division is called yeast. This picture illustrates how a yeast looks like. What are the features of organisms under division Mycota? They are called sac fungi because they reproduce spores in small cup-shaped sacs called asci. Hence, the name Ascomycota. The mature sac fungi spores are also known as ascospores. Yeast is the most common one-celled fungi which reproduces through an asexual process called budding. Examples of organisms under division Ascomycota are Morus, Truffus, club fungi, and powdery mildew. Division Basidiomycota. The most popular member of this division is called mushroom. This picture illustrates how a mushroom looks like. What are the general features of organisms under division Basidiomycota? Organisms under division Basidiomycota are also called club fungi. The spores of these organisms are born on a club-shaped spore called basidium. Huge number of spores are produced by the club fungi. In fact, an average sized mushroom produces over 16 billion spores. Examples of organisms under division Basidiomycota are Agaricus. This is also known as mushroom. Ustilago. This is also called smooth. Puccinia. This is also called rust fungi. Division Zygomycota. The most popular member of this division is called bread mold. This picture illustrates a bread mold. Let us look at the features of organisms under division Zygomycota. Organisms under division Zygomycota are also called zygote forming fungi, hence the name Zygomycota. mycota. The spores are produced in round-shaped case called sporangium. When the sporangium breaks open, hundreds of spores are released. Zygote-forming fungi are usually found on cheese, bread, and other decaying food. Examples of these organisms are mucor and rhizopus, which is also known as bread mold. Division Deuteromycota. The most popular member of this division is called the rhizopus or Alternaria. This picture illustrates how an Alternaria looks like. What are the features of organisms under division Deuteromycota? Number 1. These organisms are also known as imperfect fungi. They are called imperfect fungi because they lack sexual reproduction. They reproduce by asexual spores, which is known as conidia. Most of the fungi causes diseases in humans like ringworm and athlete's foot. Economically, these fungi are used in the production of penicillium and aspergillus. Other examples are Alternaria, Colatotrichum, and Trichoderma. We have come to the end of this study session. Thanks for listening.